Gather all necessary wood, tools, and hardware before starting your DIY top bar beehive construction. Measure twice, cut once ensures accuracy in your DIY beehive construction, preventing errors and material waste. Carefully assemble all hive components, ensuring precise fits and secure connections for a stable and bee-friendly structure. Proper ventilation prevents overheating and moisture buildup, crucial for bee health in your DIY hive. Carefully select a sheltered location for your hive, offering morning sun, afternoon shade, and good drainage.